The upcoming Samsung Galaxy A57 has been spotted in the 3C certification database, and to everyone's surprise, it beats the flagship Galaxy S26 in one major area. Samsung fans are shocked by this upgrade. The A57 is expected to launch with the Exynos 1680 chipset and Eclipse 550 GPU, offering a strong performance boost over the previous A56 model. This time, Samsung is pushing mid-range power even higher. But the biggest shock: charging speed. The Galaxy A57 supports 45W fast charging, while the expensive Galaxy S26 is stuck at only 25W. Mid-range is now ahead of the flagship. The A57 is expected to come with a 5000 mAh battery, just like the A56, but with a big charging upgrade. Samsung will reportedly launch it in Q1 2026, with an expected price close to $399 USD. Samsung continues this trend. A-series buyers may soon get features even flagship users don't get. Let's see how fans react when the A57 officially launches.